Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by placing the pop at go face up. Remove any packaging and sync the controller or app. Press the power button once, then choose a single row pattern so you can learn timing. You'll feel and hear each pop. That feedback trains your rhythm. Once you've done a few steady pops, make sure to confirm the device registers each press before speeding up. This immediate practice prevents early frustration and sets a reliable baseline for more complex moves. You now expand from single row to alternating rows. Start slow so your fingers learn each position. Count or listen for the beat, then add one new row when consistent for 3 repetitions. Use short bursts of 8 to 12 pops to avoid fatigue and increase speed by roughly 10% only when accuracy stays high. Once done, combine 2 learned patterns into a sequence. This chaining teaches transitions and prevents stalls. You finish by running a cooldown, slow, precise pops that reinforce clean presses and proper placement. If a pop fails to register, immediately check battery level, clean contact points, and perform a quick reset. Often dust or low power is the cause. Once resolved, make sure to practice the troublesome sequence slowly, then ramp up. If problems persist, record a short clip to analyze timing and hand placement. Reviewing footage reveals small errors you can correct quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.